This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both your green screen clip and the replacement background into Alight Motion. Place the green screen video on the top layer so it hides the background. Make sure your project is the intended aspect ratio, for example 16:9. Once the clip is selected, open Effects and add the color key Chroma tool. This is the first actionable step. You're telling the app which color to remove so you can reveal the layer beneath. Once done sampling the green with the eyedropper, you adjust tolerance and softness to eliminate the bulk of the green without cutting into your subject. Make sure to use spill suppression to neutralize green reflections on skin or clothing and reduce fringe via edge feathering. If parts still flicker or disappear, add a mask or do a quick roto to protect edges. This combination controls artifacts and keeps the subject crisp versus washed out. Finalize by placing the replacement background and matching scale, perspective, and color so the shot looks natural. Color grade both layers to unify lighting. Feather the subject's edges, try about 0.5 to 3 pixels, and add subtle blur to background if it feels too sharp. Export with the correct codec and resolution, then inspect playback. If you see green spill or flicker, reopen the color key, tighten the threshold slightly, and reapply spill suppression. That tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.